The alternative global system. Join us in building the alternative global system if you want to see a new, peaceful, and prosperous human civilization emerges quickly within a few years. The key of the alternative global system is the third theory of gravitation and the dark energy engine that can meet all human energy needs and replace all types of current fossil fuel engines. The first step in building the alternative global system is to make clean and free energy available to everyone equally. The new technology will provide clean and free energy to everyone, which would eliminate many of the problems that plague the current global system, such as poverty, war, and climate change. If we succeed in putting clean and free energy in the hands of people, we will make the biggest and fastest peaceful change in human history. We will move humanity from its current state as a failing creature struggling daily for survival to a creature that is materially self-sufficient and seeks only to flourish, develop, and thrive. The third theory of gravitation is a new unified theory of gravitation and quantum mechanics based on a new system that I recently invented, reverse energy engine, which has successfully captured dark energy for the first time and converts it into mechanical energy. Much like a wind turbine captures the kinetic energy of the wind and converts it into mechanical energy. This new theory of gravitation will change many of the scientific hypotheses and gaps contained in the first and second theory of gravity of Isaac Newton and Albert Einstein. And it will forever change human civilization, and we will leap forward by 1,000 years, perhaps in less than 10 years. The reverse energy engine can replace all types of fossil fuel engines for all types of vehicles, ships, aircraft, and submarines. It can also be designed as electric generators to power homes, residential buildings, wells, or as large power plants to power large factories, cities, and desalination plants. The exploitation of dark energy will forever change the face of human civilization. It will be possible to desalinate unlimited quantities of seawater for free and provide clean and free energy to all humans without distinction. Agriculture will thrive and pollution and hunger will disappear. Our car will move without wheels and our spaceships will fly between planets like planes between cities. We only have to start and everything will change in a few years. If you want to see a new, peaceful, and prosperous human civilization emerges quickly within a few years, join us in building the alternative global system. A just global system where everyone gets more than their needs and everyone lives in peace. The third theory of gravitation or cosmic depression theory is established by Sadiq Jabli in 2023. The research paper is available for free on ResearchGate, Academia and many other websites. If you are a research professor in astrophysics, quantum physics, material science, mechanical design or other specializations related to this research, you are invited to study the third theory of gravitation and contribute to its dissemination in the scientific community. If you are an industrialist or investor, take the initiative to manufacture the reverse energy engine and benefit from it, and spread this new technology all over the world. Together, we can build the alternative global system. Join our LinkedIn group, Alternative Global System. Visit our blog Free Inventions Movement, https://freeinventionsmovement.blogspot.com/.